I'ma catch a tan overseas.
Cheers, bitches! Wasaga 2020. That was the worst fucking taxi ride ever, bro. He's such a dumbass.
Yes, he's a dumbass, yeah.
But what is the exact address? Like,
For the night, 767, man, the shit got double bedroom, man. I still got screws to settle, man. I rap down the block, made a right, yo. Cut the lights, pay the price, yo. Niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, yo. Nothing nice, niggas in my eyes.
what's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am doing a vlog today. I will be going on a beach trip. I just filmed my skincare routine this morning, so you should have already seen that. If you ain't seen it, go watch it right now. Exit this video and go watch it. Leave a thumbs up and then come right back here and leave a thumbs up here too. Whew, I am sweaty, child, and I am late. I am actually headed to my... Jesus, this is a mess. I'm always a mess, aren't I? Disregard everything, but... Ew, and this too. My face wash, come on. But anyway, I am going on a beach trip today, so I will be vlogging the entire thing. I'm gonna be leaving shortly, but first I have to go to my ortho appointment. I'm not sure if they're gonna tighten my braces or take them off, because I was supposed to get them off during quarantine, but everything is being delayed, so I think they're just gonna tighten it. We'll see when we get there, but I'm gonna head to my ortho app, and then I might just stroll through the mall to pick up some stuff. I think I need some stuff, so I might do that, but y'all are coming with me, okay? First vlog is lit. All right, I'm gonna head up. Just a cute little casual outfit today, nothing crazy. Okay. But anyway, that was my elevator. Thanks. Vlogging is low-key a little bit awkward. Ooh. You didn't tell me I had that sweat stash, but yeah, vlogging is low-key a little bit awkward. Like, I've never done this before. People keep watching me. All right, so let's head down this long ass hallway. Let's see what they tell me, because truthfully, I'm on time, okay? The online check-in wasn't working for me, so I'm on time. 2:20 is 2:20, period. I'm on time. Punctual, shorty. But let's... All right, I'm gonna ask them for permission first before I start recording. I'll be right back. Waiting on my appointment. They not on time, as usual, so ghetto. Like, after you pay $6,500 for this shit, you would think that they wouldn't be so ghetto, but yeah, look how they got this quarantine set up. Literally quarantined, like, they taking it too far. I mean, I guess these are like appropriate health and safety measures, but anyways, she said I can record.
Let's see if these ones fit.
Perfect.
Yes. For one, my own glasses. Okay, let's do it. Go big hun.
Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your work, nigga. My actions being louder than...
We're just gonna polish a little between your teeth, okay? Open wide for me. As wide as you can, okay? this live?
Hmm?
Is it live?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Like that again? Well, I just did the upper. We just need the upper because we're a little overdressed. We're gonna power thread that. That's gonna bring it down. Okay.
It's just the top.
Where did you have the root canal in? Which tooth?
That's fine.
Touch your head up.
You are done.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
And what does the polishing do? Like, are my teeth too big?
No. So you mean what he was doing?
Mm-hmm.
So what he's trying to do, we call it IPR. It's
All right, so I just finished. This shit is gross on the bottom of my teeth. Like, I don't know why the threading has left my teeth so yellow, but I think I need to go see a dentist to get a cleaning. But yeah, you guys saw them, like, they shaved my teeth. They basically gave me my gap back, but it's tiny. And it's already, like, closed just from me walking from there to here. But I'm gonna have these on for a while. Like, my next appointment is not until September. Somebody was coming in the elevator and I totally just got in here and closed the door. Like, fuck that, get your own elevator, it's COVID. But yeah, my next appointment not until September 20 something. And then they have to work on the bottom too. Oh, spitting out here. Just a little rain shed, nothing crazy. It's getting crazy. Let me run to my car. But yeah, I'm gonna have these braces on for a couple more months, okay? They shaved my top teeth today, and she was telling me that she needs to shave my bottom teeth after 10 weeks. Because my top and my bottom teeth just aren't lining up. Like, it's the way my jaw is set up, or the way my bone structure in my teeth is set up. Let me take this shit off. I'm the only one out here. But anyway, yeah. So my teeth just don't line up. Like, you guys see it. They don't line up. But womp womp. I thought I was gonna get these shits off this summer. But I'm gonna go through the mall because I need to get some stuff. Alright, so I didn't even really end up going to the mall. I just went to Walmart to get some Gatorade, Cool Blue. Real ones know it's Cool Blue or it's nothing. And some water that I'm gonna take up with me. Now I gotta go to the bank, deposit some cash. Okay, like, I gotta deposit cash, honey. Ain't no withdrawals. We do deposits. But after I do that, I'm gonna go and pick up some wine that I'm gonna drink for the weekend. I don't really fucking with hard liquor like that. Like, I really don't. I've turned into a wino during quarantine, so that's where it's at for me. But I'm not gonna be vlogging too much of this no more. Like, this is the boring part of the day. Y'all want to see the weekend, right? Stay tuned. I'm not hungry right now.
in general.
We can go get food out, or we can go to the grocery store and get stuff. This shit. And our accommodations are ghetto. Look at this. This is not what we paid for. So ghetto. But I'm about to smudge. Can't stay anywhere without cleansing the place. So once we smudge, the vibe should be right. It's still so ghetto though.
Yeah, but it doesn't get me crazy. I'm just like,
Yo, look how ghetto this is.
yeah, short dress. Yeah, of course.
It's
Yeah,
cute.
no, they need like a boat. Oh, really? You can wear that on the boat.
The short dress?
Yes. You can wear that. She said like a nice dress, like
For the yacht?
yeah, because she said it's meant to be bougie, you know.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
I brought a bikini for the yacht.
Oh,
I
you took them all here.
picture like on the yacht with a picture.
I thought we were supposed to be on the yacht in a dress.
It has to be both.
Yes, let's just bring both.
A cover up and then.
You can bring your dress and your bikini. Take your pictures in your bikini. Change back to your dress. Yes.
Only here for 2 days. Everybody better carry on.
Back in my cover, a clip grow small, but we making big moves and we head to the top so we can get a better view, like. I'ma catch a tan overseas while I'm out the country.
It's a bag category. Prada. Chanel.
No, I said that!
Drink.
No, not me. It's her.
No, she picked me.
All right. Wait, we're still me. Midnight walk to the beach. Look at these waves. This shit is crazy. This just looks so scary. Look at this girl. Day 2, headed to Walmart. Gonna do some light shopping. Groceries and shit. Oh my god, it's hotter than I thought it would be. It's way hotter than I thought it would be. That's smart.
Thank you. Wow, you guys are like really smart ass women.
Time to hit the beach.
I think you should vlog now. Oh, you're vlogging?
I remember this time. Damn, it is so packed on this beach.
Hello.
Hi.
We're gonna fit everyone in, yes?
Desiree.
Huh?
Desiree, the address.
Friday Harbor Resort.
What is it?
Friday Harbor Resort.
I still can't hear.
Friday Harbor Resort.
Friday?
Harbor
Okay.
Resort.
I'll have to punch it into the phone once I get it back.
Okay. Are you done, Grandma?
Yeah. Okay.
Did you send an email?
Why is this taxi such a struggle, bro? What's hard about it?
You sent your receipt?
Mm-hmm.
Here's your card back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, just take a second. Friday Harbor Resort in Innisfil. I don't think it picked up Innisfil. It says 25. I just want to make sure I'm going to the right place. Directions, I'm not sure if that looks right. It says 49 minutes in Innisfil. Is everyone good?
Yeah, thanks.
You want music?
Yes, please. Do you have Bluetooth?
Doubt it. This nigga don't even know where we're going.
Trying to find something. What kind of music you like?
Do you have Bluetooth, sir?
What was that?
Do you have aux cord or Bluetooth so we can play our own music?
All I have is a radio, actually. Hello. Good, I have everyone. We're on our way. Yes.
Hey, there's another way.
All right. I'll let you know when I'm back.
The cat.
My goose checking up on me.
Yeah. That's weird. Yeah, the best friend.
No, didn't work.
Worst taxi ever.
Try now?
Yeah.
I'm not saying thank you, bro.
Oh, you guys are so cute. Thank you for that. Bye. He's so dumb.
That was the worst fucking taxi ride ever, bro. He's such a dumbass.
Yes, he's a dumbass. Yeah.
But what is the exact address? Like, we already know there's no exact address. Just go, bro.
Just follow directions. He has problems
Like,
listening.
and he's so prideful. Hey.
Say hey.
So prideful. Like, nigga, you know you're wrong. If you don't follow this nigga instructions,
Oh,
bro.
but where's the audience? Such a dumb nigga, yo.
It's so stupid. Say hi, y'all.
Anyone else have drinks?
Right? That was so sweet.
Put your drinks in here so we can close this up.
Bad bitch guest house.
Oh my god.
We'll be back when we're fucked up. That should be fun.
Oh, you.
Henny out, Henny out. Cheers. Cheers, bitch. Cheers, bitches! Wasaga 2020. We definitely have to do this again.
I'm after you.
Okay, wait. Just look to the other side of your picture. Yeah, there. Stay right there.
Did a good job.
Are you suspending your picture?
Yeah, I want to see how she took.
Yeah. I want to take that.
Vlog day 2. Took pictures, went to the beach. Now we're gonna take more pictures and go jet skiing. Alright. Whew. Headed to the jet skis. We about to jet skiing. That yacht yesterday was so much fun. And now let's have some more fun. Now this shit is a good time. Jet skiing was so much fun. You seen the snaps? Shit was lit. So much fun. I gotta do this more often. My lips are so dry because I got splashed by this water. I didn't fall in though. Okay, period. First time and I did not fall in. But this was such a good time. I can't wait to get back so I can put some moisturizer on these lips because damn they dry. But anyway, I'm gonna cook out. Alright, last day. Had to hit the beach one time. It is 8:57 a.m. and the beach has not been this clear the whole weekend. I guess just in the morning nobody's there, but just had to hit the beach a little bit. So everyone's packing up. All right, it is now Sunday, the last day. Don't mind my lashes or my makeup or my anything of this entire vlog. Honestly, vlogging is not as easy as it looks. It is so hard, especially when you're having a good time. You just forget that you kind of need to take your phone out and record the whole thing. Like, it's really not easy. It is my first vlog though, so I really tried it. Like, I tried it for you guys. But yeah, I'm back in Mississauga now. I ran out of storage. I took so many pictures that I ran out of video storage. But back in Mississauga, everybody got home. What the heck? Everybody got home safely. I just picked up this big ass green tea because I need a detox. Like, I need such a detox. I don't know how I'm gonna start, but let's start with this green tea. Okay. Hope you enjoy this footage. And I'm gonna try my hand at vlogging, see if I can get a little better at it. But that was our trip. Okay, turn up with me. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, now for real though, y'all gotta subscribe, like, and like the video and share it. Like, share this, send it to your friends. Okay, like, get me up, okay? Thank you so much though, I really do appreciate it.
But the heart, we ain't having no hope. I got look like a charm. 50 rest on the arm. A tsunami, a storm. I stay flowers, they all born. Put the hoe like it's pouring. I get higher than the Osborne. On the couch if it's torn. Getting money is so important. Thought I was done.